Hello guys, back with me again in the tutorial millennial YouTube channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to get Google Play voucher. So if you want to add some balance into your Google Play, you can buy Google Play credit or voucher by following this method that I will show you in this video. So the first thing is you need to open your Google Play Store and then click on your profile at the top and go to the payment and subscription option here and click on the payment methods. Okay, scroll down until you find this buy Google Play credit. Just click on this and choose the amount of voucher that you want to add to your credit, to your balance on your Google Play, for example this one, and then click on continue, and you can choose whether you want to pay it as the merchant or like a mini market or extra, or you can also pay it with virtual account by pay with your banking maybe, yeah. And then when you're done, just click on the get payment code. Okay, that's all. That is all. It's so easy. You can just do the payment after that. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.